Guys, today I'm just gonna show you how to engage the brake pad replacement mode in a Mercedes. This is a Mercedes GLE. It applies to most Mercedes guys that have electronic parking brake on the rear. So you find out that if you want to change your brakes, you cannot like push the pistons just the way they are. Guys, these are the brakes. These are the electronic brakes. So it's plastic thing right there. That's the one which you need to. That's the one which electronically engages. So it allows you to push this into place. So guys, it's just a simple process. So just stay with me. So you just come to your car, and then you make sure you take your key out like this, and then you just put the key in first position. So you just turn position 1. You just turn only once. Just turn once, position 1. And then when it goes to position 1, guys, what you do is you hold this OK together with the call button right there. So if you do them together, guys, this will show up on the screen. You do them for 5 seconds. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about, so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is your dash right there. So let me hold it's a call together and for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Once it reaches there, guys, you scroll down using the down arrow. You go to pad replacement, and then you press OK. When you do that, OK, it say to move to fitting position, guys. Press OK to move back. So if you want to move to moving position, so guys, you come OK. So you press OK. So when you press OK, some sound. Moving to fitting position. So it's complete. So once you hear the sound is complete, it's going to notify you that the fitting position has reached. So also to be sure it's already in fitting position, you'll see that blinking right here, guys. You see the pack is blinking, so it's telling you that the fitting position has been reached, so you can replace your pads with ease. And make sure, guys, when you do this, make sure your car is on top of a lift or is on top of a jack, so that it avoids it from rolling, because there's nothing holding the car right now, so it can just back and roll if it's just on a hill or something. So guys, I hope this video helps you out as you replace your Mercedes brakes, especially electronic ones. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. So guys, once you're done with the replacement, you press OK, and then it will take it back. It will take it back to the normal it will engage the electronic parking brake, and then it will just let your brakes operate normally. So I hope this video helps out. See you next time.